Hello everyone, this is Micaela Makeler Pasenyo. Our topic for today is about forestry. Let's begin. Have you had your breakfast, traveled to work with a bus or a car, sat on a chair, made a shopping list, got a parking ticket, or blown your nose into a tissue? Well, forest products are a vital part of our daily lives in more ways we can imagine. Have you ever wondered what is forestry? Well, forestry is the study of growing of plants and its management. Forestry is also defined as repairing of forest for survival of animals, humans, and environmental benefits. Forestry draws from biology, environmental science, ecology, economics, and other fields. Branches of forestry. Number 1. Agroforestry. It deals with the trees or shrubs grown around the crops for its protection. Number 2. Dendrology. It deals with the study of useful tree species and their taxonomic classification. Number 3. Forest ecology. It deals with the patterns, flora and ecosystem in forests. Number 4. Forest economics. It deals with the resource management and forest products management, distribution and conservation. Number 5. Forest hydrology. It deals with the relationship of water, distribution, storage, movement, and quality with the forest. Forest management. It deals with the protection of forest, naturally, manually, globally, economically, and socially. Forest mensuration. It deals with the study of age, dimension, form, and increment of a single tree or cluster grown in the forest. Forest protection. It deals with improvement of forest or control of forest of damage from humans and natural process. Silviculture. It deals with the proper management of trees grown in the forest and their cultivation of timber purposes. Tree breeding. It deals with the growth of selective trees in the forest which are genetically stable and beneficial for humans and environment. Urban forestry. It deals with the management of trees in urban areas to improve the environment. Farm forestry. It deals with the growth of unique trees or crops in the forest for shading or beneficial purposes. Community forestry. It deals with the mutual relationship of local peoples in forest management. Ecoforestry. It deals with the restoration of the ecosystem by managing the forest. Energy forestry. It deals with the growth of particular trees in the forest to provide biofuel for energy purposes. Short rotation forestry. It deals with the growing of trees for energy use in the power station, such as coal. Analog forestry. It deals with the reforestation, growing of trees to look like a natural forest structure. Types of forest. Tropical forest. Tropical forests which are grown in latitude between 23.5 degrees north to 23.5 degrees south pole. These forests are growing within 28 degrees and receive 200 cm rainfall throughout the year. Categories of tropical forest: evergreen, seasonal, dry, tropical, montane, subtropical. Temperate forest. Temperate forest. The temperature of this forest ranges from -30 to 30 degrees Celsius and rainfall 75 to 150 cm per year. Boreal forest. Boreal forests are the forests in those areas while the temperature is low. Have you ever imagined growing taller at 10-story building? How about living to be 4,000 years old? Or ever grow 2 inches in one day? But life would be very different if you were a tree. There are five major parts of a tree. They are roots, trunk, leaves, flowers, and seeds. These parts work together to help a tree live, grow, and produce new trees. Trees are plants. They are usually tall and have a main stem called trunk. They come in many colors and sizes. Trunk. A tree's trunk is covered by bark, which protect the trees. New cells grow around them and make the trunk thicker. Leaves. Leaves contain a chemical called chlorophyll. Chlorophyll combines with carbon dioxide from the air, water in the leaf, and light from the sun to make food for the tree. Food provides energy for the tree to grow. Flowers. Some trees have large, colorful flowers. Others have flowers that are small, pale, and hard to notice. Roots hold the tree in place. They also have tiny, little hair that absorbs water and manures from the soil. Lastly, seed. Once ripped, the seeds have many interesting means of spreading far and wide before hitting the ground. Water, wind, mammals, birds, ants, and people can all help. Things made out of tree. Paper is one of the world's most important and useful products. Without it, there would be no newspapers, magazines, writing paper, or greeting cards. There would be no paper bags or boxes, paper money, gift wrapping, or toilet paper. Take a look around you. How many things can you see that are made from paper? Paper is made from tiny fibers from plants. You can see the fibers at the edge of the torn piece of paper. Deforestation and forest degradation. Deforestation, the act or result of cutting down or burning all the trees in an area. Forests are converted to non-forest uses, such as agriculture and road construction. Forest degradation occurs when forest ecosystems lose their capacity to provide important goods and service to people and nature. Habitat destruction. Habitats are being destroyed around the world. As humans move into new areas, they clear the land to build on. The animals in the habitat must adapt the changes or move elsewhere. If they cannot, they die. Many plants die too. Why does forestry important? Over 2 billion people rely on forests. Forests provide us with shelter, livelihood, water, food, and fuel security. All activities directly or indirectly involve forests. Over half of the tropical forests worldwide have been destroyed since the 1960s, and every second, more than 1 hectare of tropical forest is destroyed or drastically degraded. This intense and devastating pressure on forests is not limited to the tropics. An estimated 3.7 million hectares of Europe forests are damaged by livestock, insects, disease, forest fires, and human-linked activities. Forests also play a crucial role in climate change adaptation efforts. They act as a food safety net during climate shocks, reduce risk from disaster like coastal flooding, and help regulate water flows and microclimates. Improving the health of these forest ecosystems and introducing sustainable management practices increase the resilience of human and natural systems to the impacts of climate change. The call of the forest. The forest calls each and every one of us. Only a certain few hear the calls. Thank you for watching and I hope you learned something. Goodbye, God bless, and stay safe, everyone.